Hello students, in previous video we have completed lesson number 6 of science. Now today we will do the worksheet of this lesson. But before that, let us revise what we have learned in this chapter. So in this chapter we have learned about the insects, the features of insects, that insects do not have bone, they have 6 legs and 2 pairs of membranous wings that help them to fly. Then we have discussed that insects helps in pollination, and the pollination is the process of shifting of pollen grains from one place to another. And then we have discussed about different types of useful insects, like honeybee. It gives us honey, and we can collect it by lighting a fire under it, and the heat and smoke drives the bees out of the hive, and then honey collectors remove the hive and collect the honey stored in it. Then about silk moths gives us silk. And about lac insect, and lac insects gives us lac, which is used in paints, varnishes, printing ink, and for making bangles and similar things. And about the ladybird beetle, which eats large number of pests that are harmful for plants. Then we have discussed about the harmful insects, that is the insects that spread diseases. So the first one is housefly. It spreads diseases like diarrhea, cholera, and jaundice. Then mosquitoes. These spread the disease like malaria, dengue, and chikungunya. And the special type of some types of mosquitoes spread these diseases, like malaria is spread by the bite of female Anopheles mosquito, and dengue is spread by the Aedes mosquito. And then we have discussed about the fleas. The fleas found on the rodents like rats can spread a very dangerous disease known as bubonic plague. And then the stinging insects. There are some insects like bees and wasps that stings, and it is often poisonous and causes pain and redness in the skin. And then we have discussed about the spider. A spider does not considered to be a insect because it has 8 legs, whereas insects have only 6 legs. And then how can we save ourselves from harmful insects? With the help of natural methods or by using chemicals like insecticides and pesticides. That is what we have learned in this chapter. Now let us discuss the exercise. So butterflies are attracted to dash flowers. So we have discussed one activity also about it, that butterflies are attracted to which type of flowers? About fresh flowers. जो हमारे fresh flowers होते हैं, we have also done the activity in which हमने 2 types के flowers रखे थे. That one is fresh flowers and another is paper flowers. So butterflies attracts towards the fresh flowers. Next is honeybees suck dash from flower. So you know honeybees suck the sweet juice of flower, and that sweet juice is called nectar. So honeybees suck nectar from flowers. Next is the 6-sided chambers of beehive are called. So I have it is shown in the picture. This is 6-sided chamber of beehive. You can see here the 6-sided chamber that we have discussed, and it is called the combs. 6-sided chamber is called combs. And malaria is spread by the bite of female. Just now we have revised. Malaria is spread by the bite of female Anopheles mosquito. Next is the cover weaved by silk moth around itself is called a, so silk moth, you know that silk moth cover cover around itself with the help of the thin thread, and that cover is called cocoon. And bees and dash are stinging insects. So we have discussed about the stinging insects. So bees and wasp are stinging insects. Next is your true and false. Insects help in pollination. So this is true because insects fly from one flower to another flower, and the pollen grains get stick into the legs and the wings of the insects, and they can so insects shift those pollen grains from one place to another. So in this way insects help in pollination. So this is true. Next is lac insect. Lac insects grow on banyan tree. So we have discussed that about two types of insects. One is your lac insect and another is your silk moth. So silk moth grows on mulberry leaves, and the lac insect grow on banyan tree. So this is also true. Now houseflies spread malaria. We have just discussed above in Phillips. Malaria is spread by the bite of female Anopheles mosquito. So it spreads by the bite of mosquito, not by the housefly. So this statement is false. So this is false statement. Next is Aedes mosquito spreads dengue. So we have just revised, and in that we have learned that Aedes mosquito spread dengue. So it is true. And bubonic plague is caused by a mosquito. So we have just discussed it is not caused by a mosquito. Bubonic plague is caused by fleas that are found on the rodents like rat. So this statement is false. So this is all that what we have revised right now. So next one, C part, that is multiple choice question. Take the correct options. The insect that usually spreads jaundice is a, so jaundice कौन सा insect spread करता है? Mosquito, wasp, housefly और butterfly. So you know that mosquito spreads the disease like malaria, dengue. Wasp is a stinging insect, and housefly spreads jaundice, disease like jaundice. And butterfly is not harmful for us. It helps in pollination. It is good for us. So housefly spreads jaundice. Next is honeybees make honey from, you know that we get honey from honeybee. Honeybee makes honey for us. So honeybee make honey from lac, nectar, milk or sugar. So they make honey from nectar. What is nectar? Nectar is the sweet juice of flowers. So honeybees make honey from nectar. Next is the sting of insects like the bees and the wasps is located on their, so it is जो sting होते हैं insects के, bees और wasps के, वो कहाँ पर होते हैं? Wings में, back में, mouth में या leg में? So they are found at on their back. Next is an insect that helps to save our crops from pests. So that means we are talking about the useful insects. So an insect that help to save our crops from pests. Pests से कौन सा insect हमको बचाता है? Wasp, bee, ladybird beetle or butterfly. So we have learned that ladybird beetle saves our crops from pests. So in next video we will discuss the question answers of this lesson. Thank you.